Se nan dlo a nou leve, nan dlo a nou dormi. La jounen se nan teras a nou kampe. Nou pa gan nan men. Le soir, ven peche nou dormi.
Well, we have to. On a humanitarian basis, we have to. So we're watching it closely and we're prepared to move. But it's doing tremendous damage. As we speak, it's right there right now.